can actually see it burning right there as we come around the corner.
3 brothers, 4 provinces, 5,000 kilometers, 1 incredible country. We're on a quest for the trip of a lifetime. We won't stop until we're out of money. This is Brothers on the Run.
Alright, so we're just packing up the van. Bikes are out, ghetto tarps off. For the most part, we got about everything in the van. We really just have to finish up with the couple air mattresses. I'm expecting to be out of here around 9. Way later than I wanted it to be, but it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. It's only about 600 kilometers to Vernon, so a little under 6 hours. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, and we're off. Alright, so the game plan right now is we're gonna drive to Radium Hot Springs, just take a bit of a break, chill for a little while. And then from there we'll make the final trek to Vernon. Radium is roughly the halfway mark. It's a good spot to take a break and chill out for a bit. Say goodbye to Fernie. Hello Vernon in a couple hours. We finally arrived at Radium Hot Springs. We're literally just gonna go in there just to take a break from driving. Probably there for half an hour, just chill. And we'll be back on the road to Golden. Alright, so we're just leaving Radium Hot Springs. Figured we should take a quick break. It was chill, water was warm. But now we're on our way to Golden. We're gonna stop for lunch. And then from there, we're on to Vernon. Alright, so we're just leaving Kicking Horse now. We're now coming on to Rogers Pass, which is the highway between Golden and Revelstoke. This is a super sketchy highway in the winter. It's definitely a ton of fun to drive on in a blizzard. It should be a lot different in the summer. I think it will be pretty scenic. The only problem is right now, there's a lot of smoke from all the forest fires we've been having out here. Apparently there's actually a forest fire about 15 kilometers east of Revelstoke, so I don't know if we're going to be able to see it from the highway or whatnot, but it kind of just does put in perspective of, like, yeah, you can see the smoke, but like, this is like really close to where we're actually going to be, which is pretty crazy to actually think about. My prediction is, yes, still 6 o'clock will be Vernon. So we're about 20 clicks out of Revelstoke, and you can smell the wood, smell the fire. You can actually see it burning right there as we come around the corner. But yeah, there's legit forest fires in this area, which is kind of crazy considering, like, normally when you think forest fires, you see it on TV, you don't normally see it like where you are. Oh yeah, here you go, you can see it. Holy shit, that's insane. For it to be that close, that's crazy. It'll be interesting to come through here in like a week and see where it burned to. There's a good chance all these trees that we're seeing now might be gone in a week or a couple days. Getting to drive through Rogers Pass was spectacular, and a few hours later, we arrived in Vernon, BC. Alright, so we just set up the tent. We arrived in Vernon, obviously. So, yeah, tent set up. We're gonna leave this top off because it's freaking hot out right now. Like, I think it's like 32 degrees, and like being a Canadian who's used to like minus 32 degrees, this is hot. But everything made it. It was pretty smooth driving. The time change made us get here well before 6, so that's chill. But yeah, finally in Silver Star. The bike park is insane here. Now, like, as you can tell, it doesn't really look like the mountains. I mean, this one looks more like the edge of Alberta, BC border. But way up there, way up there is Silver Star. It's on the other side of that peak. You can't see it. And that bike park is epic, so I'm super stoked for tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 1 of Vernon. We just woke up. Me and Trajan are kind of sick, and nobody really slept that well last night. It was kind of super hot and sweaty. Regardless, even though we're sick, we're going to be heading up to actual Silver Star and doing some bike park today. Nothing's going to slow us down. After breakfast, we made our way up the hill. It was time to ride. So basically, what I'm trying to say is we're having an awesome time. And though we are sick, which makes us feel like we're not really riding our bikes, but really just along for the ride. Riding Silver Star Bike Park is an absolute blast. To finish off the day, we rode our 2 favorite trails, Superstar and Jedi Mind Trip. Okay. This is probably one of my favorite sections. Today was one for the books, and lucky for us, we had one more day at this incredible bike park. Couldn't wait till tomorrow. Next time on Brothers on the Run. That's a 50-footer right there. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, you hit there like a...
Oh my god! That didn't sound good.